So hello. So in our group, we are studying the spatiotemporal and mechanical control of cell motility. We will describe our latest study recently published in Nature. In this study, in collaboration with Valerie River and Matthew Patzek from the University of California, San Francisco, we demonstrated that cancer cells use their sugar coat called the glycocalyx to mechanically foster their growth and survival. So a normal cell can sense and respond to the mechanical properties of their extracellular space. This mechanotransduction regulates cell behavior, including migration, proliferation, and apoptosis. All those processes are completely deregulated during cancer. For example, a normal cell cannot proliferate and will die in a very soft environment. However, during the formation of metastasis, cancer cells are able to migrate, adhere, and proliferate in tissue with mechanical properties completely different from their tissue of origin. So to probe the mechanical properties of their surrounding, the cell use adhesion protein and especially integrins. So integrins form the physical connection between the intracellular actin cytoskeleton and the extracellular matrix, which is mainly composed of collagen and fibronectin. And this integrin mechanotransduction controls many cellular functions, often altered in cancer cells, such as survival and migration. So it is known, for example, that internal forces generated by the actin cytoskeleton control integrin activation. However, how the mechanical properties of the extracellular space control integrin activation is still poorly understood. The glycocalyx, for example, which is composed of glycolipids and glycoprotein, is at the surface of the cell. And this glycocalyx is large in cells which are living in harsh conditions in our body, such as the epithelial cells, which are living in the air and water interface in our lungs. So as the molecules of the glycocalyx structure the space in the vicinity of the cell, they can play a key role in the organization and function of protein on the cell surface, and this includes integrins. And in this study, in fact, we deciphered how the mechanical constraint of the extracellular glycocalyx control integrin activation in cancer cells.